Exercise 2.7, problem 1 to 5. So here all the 5 problems we are going to discuss because these are small problems, so I have clubbed them together. Okay, the first one. Which of the following is not true? A sequence is a real valued function defined on n. Which is true, right? Sequence is a real valued function defined on n. Every function represents a sequence. Let's say this is something not very clear. Let's leave it there. Okay, next. A sequence may have infinitely many terms. So there are some sequence where the last term will not be given. For example, let's say all the odd terms, odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, it goes on, right? So it's infinite number of terms. But if I tell you one odd terms less than 30, so what will happen? 1, 3, 5, 7 up to 29, because we say less than 30, right? So such cases, they are finite numbers actually. So this sequence may have finite numbers. This is true. A sequence may have infinite many terms. That is also true. A sequence is a real valued function defined on n. That is also true. But every function represents a sequence. A sequence represents a function, but a function may not necessarily represent a sequence. So in this case, this is the false actually, right? So all other statements are true. Okay, right. Next problem. The 8th term of the sequence 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. If you carefully look at it, this is Fibonacci sequence. The first two terms are equal, f1 equal to f2, and from f3 onwards, from the third term onwards, it will be the sum of the previous two terms. See, if you look at it, 2 is sum of 1 plus 1, 2. 3 is sum of two terms before it, so that is 2 plus 1, 3. Now 5 is sum of 3 plus 2, 5. 8 is the sum of the previous two terms, 5 plus 3, 8. So this is basically Fibonacci sequence, okay, where the first term equal to the second term and the nth term equal to n minus 1th term plus n minus 2 term for all values greater than or equal to 3, for n greater than or equal to 3. So what happens? Now we want to find the 8th term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms are there. So we'll have to find the 7th term and 8th term. Let's continue the sequence. So what will happen? 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8 they have given. The next term will be the sum of previous two terms, that is 8 plus 5, 13. The next, this is 7th term. 8th term will be 7th term plus 6th term, that is 13 plus 8, that is 21. Therefore, the 8th term is 21. Okay, so 8th term is 21. You got it? Okay, let's move on to the next one, problem 3. The next term of the sequence 1 by 20 in the sequence of 1 by 2, 1 by 6, 1 by 12, 1 by 20. If you look at it, the numerator are all 1, right? And the denominator, they form a particular series. Okay, so let's analyze it. 2, 6, 12, 20. Okay, this is the denominator. And if you look at it, the differences are increasing. So 6 minus 2, the difference is 4. 12 minus 6, the difference is 6. 20 minus 12, the difference is 8. So here you can see the difference between two terms is continuously increasing. 4, 6, 8. So what will be the next one? The next one will be, the difference will be 10. So which means, so after 20, the next term is, you'll have to add 10 to it, it will become 30. Right? So 20 plus 10 equal to 30. Okay, and thus the next fraction will be 1 by 30. Okay, so 1 by 30 is the next fraction, so which means this is the answer. Okay, you got it clear here? So basically what happens is that the numerator remains constant, so it is the same one here, and the denominator forms a particular sequence or a series where the difference between two terms is continuously increasing. So the first term, 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 6, right? Or the second minus first is 4, third minus second is 6, fourth minus third is 8. So the difference is continuously increasing between the terms. So the next difference will be 10. So what we need to do, add 10 to this 20, it becomes 30. So the fraction is 1 by 30. You got it? Okay, now let's go to the next one. So here, if A, B, C, L, M are in AP, then the values of A minus 4B plus 6C minus 4L plus M is, they have given you some things. So, okay, so the way to do is, let A be the first term and D be the common difference. So what will be B? B will be A plus D, right? What will be C? C will be A plus 2D, because D is the difference, goes on adding, right? L will be the fourth term, right? 1, 2, 3. So L will be A plus 3D. M is the fifth term. So M will be A plus 5D. So first list it out. So B, the first term, second term is A plus D. The third term is A plus 2D. L, the fourth term is A plus 3D. M, the fifth term is A plus 4D. Now substitute all these things in this expression. So what happens? So A minus 4B plus 6C minus L 4L plus M will become A minus 4 into B, right? But what is B? B is A plus D. So that comes here. Plus 6 into 6C, right? C is A plus 2D. So 6 into A plus 2D. Minus 4L. 4 into L. L is A plus 3D. Okay, it comes here. So now you open the bracket. So this will become A minus 4A minus 4D plus 6A plus 12D minus 4A minus 12D. Now if you look at this expression, you should be able to cancel few terms together. So plus 2D, 12D and minus 12D will cancel. Okay, then minus 4D plus 4D will cancel. Okay, so now this is minus 4A minus 4A. Okay, and if you look at it, see this is A, right? Yeah, this minus 4A is minus 8A. 6A plus A is 7A. 7A plus A is 8A. So it will be 8A minus 8A. So that is finally 0. Okay. So I hope you're getting it here. See, this is minus 4A. Or let's do that. A minus 4A is minus 3A. Minus 3A plus 6A is 3A. Right? Minus 3A plus 6A. That is becomes 3A. 3A minus 4A is minus A. Minus A plus A is A. Minus A plus A is 0. So the final term is 0, which means that the value of the expression is 0, which is D. Okay, so all we need to do is replace all these terms with A plus D. This is A plus 2D, L is A plus 3D, and M is A plus 4D, and substitute those values in this expression. Simplify it, you will get the value as 0. Okay. The next one. Okay, if A, B, C are in AP, then A minus B divided by B minus C is, okay, so let's find the same thing. If they are in AP, what does it mean? Second term minus first term will be equal to third term minus second term, right? Because it's always equal to T2 minus T1 is T3 minus T2. That is the common difference. So going by that, what will happen? T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2, that is equal to D. So in this case, it will be B minus A will be equal to C minus B. So B minus A will be equal to C minus B, right? Now, what you can do, you can bring this one this side. So it will become B minus A divided by C minus B will be equal to 1. Now, multiply both numerator and denominator by minus 1. So what will happen? This will become A minus B divided by B minus C, that is equal to 1. We are asked to find the value of A minus B by B minus C, and we have found that to be 1. So which means the answer is this option D. You got it? So the principle which we are using is T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2, that is equal to D, and we are just bringing it to one side and simplifying it to get the final answer. Okay. I hope it's clear. If not, please go through this one more time. It will become clear. Thanks for watching this video.